Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a look with literally no eyeshadow, just three things: concealer, eyebrow pencil, and eyelashes. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my natural eyelashes for the false lashes. I like to use a very dark mascara because my natural eyelashes are very thin. This will help to blend my natural lashes with the falsies a little better. I like to apply quite a few coats to each eye to make my natural lashes darker. That way when I put the falsies on, it'll look like the falsies are natural. If you have pretty full eyelashes, you don't necessarily have to put as much mascara on as I do. That part is actually optional. It is a good idea to put some mascara on to help the falsies look a little natural, and they also will stick a lot better. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my falsies and apply some glue to the lash line. The glue I'm using applies white, but it dries clear. Next, you're going to want to hold your mirror under your nose, look down, and apply your lash to the center. Then, as you see me doing here, I'm going to grab the inner corner and apply the lash, and then use the outer corner and apply that as well. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So this part I'm just going to go ahead and speed up. Oh, hey sis. So sometimes I walk out just like this. I'll just do my edges, pop some lashes on, and that's it. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using my MAC spiked pencil. I'm using the spoolie end to brush my brow hairs up and then in the direction of the eyebrow. So you want to do up and over. Brush your brow hairs up, get them nice and straight, and then you want to bring all of the hairs toward the tail end of your eyebrow. This will help you to shape your eyebrow. This will help you to see the natural shape of your eyebrows. I'm going to start my eyebrow on the bottom. I'm going to lightly go in the direction of my hair using my eyebrow's natural shape as a guide. I'm not drawing on my eyebrow. I'm using my eyebrow as a guide, going in the direction of the hairs on my eyebrow. I'm going to outline the top of my eyebrow gently. I'm not going to draw them on. Gently go in the direction of my natural brow shape. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Start at the bottom, use the bottom of my eyebrow as a guide. Take it all the way to the end, make a natural tail. On the top of the eyebrow, do the same thing. Use the top hairs as a guide. Lightly make small hair strokes until you make a tail at the end. If there's any sparse areas, we'll fill them in with eyebrow powder later. I'm going to make sure that they're even at the beginning and make sure I didn't miss any spots at the bottom. Next, I'm going to use my eyebrow powder to fill in those sparse areas. I'm not going to make my eyebrows super dark. I like my eyebrows to be natural. I start in the middle, work my way to the end, and use any excess powder or product that I may have on the brush and fill in the beginning of my eyebrow. So again, I like to start in the middle, work my way to the end of the brow, and use any remaining product that's on the brush and fill in the beginning of my eyebrow. I don't like dark eyebrows, so here you'll see that my eyebrows are pretty light. Once I outline them with concealer, they'll look much better. Trust the process. Some days I like to mix two concealers. It depends on if I'm doing a full face of makeup or if I'm going just with eyebrows, eyelashes, and nothing else. So I like to take my concealer a little further than the beginning of my eyebrow so that I can see where the shape begins. I take the edge of my concealer brush and gently outline the bottom of my brow. Then I take the flat part of the brush and pull the concealer down. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Sometimes I do make a unibrow to make sure that they're even, and you can buff that out with a nice buffer brush so that you can't see the concealer unibrow. Take the thinnest part of your concealer brush, gently outline the bottom of your eyebrow. It's okay if you get some of your eyebrow with the concealer. We can fix that later. Take the flat part of your brush and blend your concealer down. This helps to shape your eyebrow and also give that eyebrow a nice sharp tail at the end. Remember, your eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins. They're not always going to look the exact same. The key is to have them even and nicely shaped. I'm going to blend this concealer out off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to take my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. I'm going to start at the highest point of my cheekbone. Add just a little bit there. I like to build up my highlighter. I don't like to start too heavy. I like to add as I go. So I'm going to start at the highest point of my cheek, take it up just a little bit, not so much on my temple, but just a little higher than the cheekbone. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Begin at the highest point of my cheek, blend that out, take it just above the cheekbone. I also like to add it to the tip of my nose. I have a wide nose, so I like to put just a very subtle amount on my nose and blend it up toward my forehead. This will give my face just a little bit of glow, but not overdoing it. I add a little bit to my Cupid's bow. Once I put on lipstick or lip gloss, it'll really make my lips pop. I add a little bit of shimmer to the inner tear ducts because we don't have on eyeshadow today. So this will help my eyes look brighter, make me look more awake. Once I'm finished, I blend in my highlighter with the tip of my finger just to make sure everything flows naturally and sits the way that I want it to. Also, this is a good time to blend everything out and remove any excess, or if it's not enough product there, you can always add more. I'm going to go back in with my MAC spiked pencil. I'm going to use the spoolie end just to straighten up my brow hairs, make sure everything is flowing in the right direction. Brush the hairs up and over to make sure that they look nice and neat. Well, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any product questions or if there are any other videos you would like for me to record.